Chair count manipulation. For tables with chairs that is located within the library or favorites list, you will be able to change the number of chairs and their position around the table. First, click on a table with chairs that has been placed on your diagram. Located in the top right corner of the Object Properties box, select the Chairs tab. You will be presented with a diagram of your table. There are several ways to manipulate your chair count. First, click on individual chairs from the preview. You are removing chairs from the table. Second, select the composition from the Composition drop-down menu. Third, add or subtract chairs from the plus and minus buttons. The chairs will move around the table to have even space between each chair. Select Apply Changes from the window for the changes to be applied onto your floor plan. For square or rectangle tables, a fourth manipulation is available. Select the drop-down arrow button beside each side label. This will enable sliding bars to adjust the position and distance of the chairs on that specific side of the table. Chair count manipulation can be applied to all similar dimensions and type of tables. For example, since all tables located within this floor plan are the same dimension and are all circle banquet tables, we can lasso all tables so that all tables are selected. Now, when we access the Chair sub-tab in the Properties box and make the chair count manipulation and select Apply Changes, all tables have been updated. If chair count adjustments are needed for similar dimension and type of tables that are not located right next to each other on the diagram, you can hold down your Shift key on your keyboard and click both tables. By doing this action, only the objects you have clicked will be selected. Now, when we access the Chair sub-tab in the Properties box and make the chair count manipulation and select Apply Changes, all tables have been updated.